Okay, this is the Kowaflex camera, which comes with the 50mm f2 Prominar lens. It's a Kowa Optical works camera lens. Okay, so let me show the aesthetics first. The front, the back, top, and the bottom. This lens is a f2 lens. This is where you control the aperture, and then the shutter speed is controlled on the lens as well. So you can see. Yeah. Besides that, the focus is full. And also, like here I noticed, like they use a DIN. I mean, it's not ISO, it's DIN. They use DIN to measure the ISO for the meter. So I think you need to make some conversions online about, like, DIN convert to ISO, how is it like, and stuff like that. So that one you need to check. How you change? Oh yeah, there is a ISO. ISO is here. So to change it, you need to pull this thing. Pull this, then you can change the ISO. Let's do 200. Okay. Oh yeah. So 200 ISO is 24 DIN. Okay. Right. So let me show you the shutter lah. So this is the inside of the camera. So let's start from 500 shutter speed. Okay, works. Let's do 250. Okay, show you in front. Okay, let's do 125. Okay. Okay. Let's do 60. Okay. Okay. Let's do 30. Okay. Okay. Let's do 15. Okay. Okay, right. Let's do 8. Okay. Let's do 1/4. Okay. 1/4. Okay. Let's do half shutter. Okay. So half. Okay. Let's do 1 second. Okay. Okay, right. Okay, right. Let's do bulk mode. Okay. 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 Let's do 1000 again. Let's do 500 again. I think I forgot to show you the front. Okay. Let's wind it up. Alright, it seems to be working fine. show you the glass. Alright, so this is the Kowaflex camera that I'm selling. Thanks.